Carolyn.
And I'm Rose.
And together, we created Poplight. Here's why. Carolyn and I had just moved in together and we wanted to install wall lights on either side of our bed.
But our house was over 100 years old and did not have the right setup.
Plus, the wall lights we wanted were pricey and the cost of an electrician would have been hundreds of dollars more on top of that.
We thought that there must be a simpler, more affordable option for people to have access to beautiful wall lighting.
So we got to work. This is Poplight.
Poplight installs in seconds without any tools or hardware.
Poplight is ideal for renters.
Worried about losing your security deposit?
Or just not that handy.
Poplight is ideal for first-time homeowners.
Don't have a decorating budget after the down payment?
Or just don't want to fight over house projects? Poplight is great for kids' rooms.
Don't want dangerous cords within your kids' reach?
Or simply have no time.
Let's show them how it's done. We designed Poplight to be super easy to install. Just get the double-sided sticky tape ready on the base. Then use the built-in level to get Poplight right the first time. It's time to grab Poplight. Just swivel and click Poplight into place. And that's it. You're done.
Tap once to turn Poplight on, and hold to dim.
Poplight is USB-C rechargeable.
Don't have your Poplight near an outlet? Pop out the battery and charge it where you do. Or you can control Poplight using the app on your phone.
Poplight moves and grows with you. Here's how to remove it. Swivel and release the light from the base. Then pull down slowly on each of the release tabs of the double-sided sticky tape to remove the Poplight base from the wall without leaving a mark. Poplight. Back us on Kickstarter and join the revolution of wall lighting.